I went on a road trip and I had to go to New York. So as y'all know, in case you don't know, whatever, I basically, I did IVF. I have my kids. I have my other kids. So basically, whenever I am ready to have more children or whatever have you, or I go for checkups to my specialist, endocrinologist, that's the name of the doctor, not a gynecologist. That's just GYN. That basically when you're pregnant, they just check the baby, make sure it's okay. Yes, baby. Fine. So I know. So basically I had to go to him, and this is what I saw on my trip. I took the train. I didn't want to drive because your girl is still breastfeeding. And yeah, I know. I'm trying to stop. I'm trying, but she doesn't sleep when I don't. So it's crazy. Like, I don't know. Ain't enough makeup in the world can help me look like I'm awake. You feel me? But anyway, all right, guys. Namaste. Be the reason someone smiles today. Enjoy the video and the scenery, everything we saw, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys. He's a genius. Look at that. I wish I could do that. Wow. He's very talented. Capture the attitude. Wow. Look at her eyes. Wow. This is so nice. Pay attention to detail. Yes, he does. He is very talented. Wow. She got gloves. Oh, it's a whole bunch of them. Ooh. Make them into bronze. Oh, wow. These are those bronze statues you see in the street. Wow. Teamwork. This is cool. Wow, look at what it looks like before. This is cool. The Amtrak station. I wonder how it's gonna look in the future. I didn't even notice they had more. I just love seeing black people. Yes. Showcase. Look at them making bronze statues. I love it. I'm coming. I'm coming. Coming. What happened? What's wrong? You don't want to know? I don't know why the light is on. closest you get, I'm in Jersey. How come the closer you get to New York, the dirtier it gets? Look at all this graffiti. Oh my god. I wonder how many years it's been here. Like, since the 80s. We're in 2022. Look at us. Oh my god. It's crazy. Child. What is it? Okay, so I did a voiceover for this one because I was blasting the radio. But listen, did you see that in the sky? I know y'all seen it. But anyway, I'm not going to focus on it because I don't want to get, YouTube be extra. But y'all saw it. Don't sleep. Y'all need to look up in the sky more often. I don't know why I'm always seeing these things. Oh my goodness. The people on the train was freaking out. So you see how easy fear gets people in the pandemonium. And the lady next to me came all the way across and was like, oh my gosh, trying to record it and doing all these crazy stuff. The other lady was screaming oh my God, you see that? It was, a riot basically. And it wasn't even close to us. But anywho, so this is what happened when I came back from New York. It's snowing. It's like a whole winter wonderland out here. So I drove to the station. So basically I could have, the comfortability in whatever is called convenience to get back home with my baby. So I don't have to pay nobody or whatever, use a taxi or ask no one to come pick me up. I'm not doing that. I'm too old for that. So, see, isn't this gorgeous though? This reminds me of, what is it, The King of Narnia? I think that movie, I forgot the name, but Narnia. I don't remember, but I'll put it in the description probably. I'll put it in this video, but it's so pretty. I love driving in the snow. I'm so happy I got all-wheel drive and my tires are run flats because, honey child, me trying to hold this camera for y'all to see this beautiful, look at that, sirens, see? It's a lot of accidents I've noticed, but it's sad. People been swerving and driving crazy. People tailgate. People need to learn how to drive, but it's none of my business. I just stay prayed up so nothing happens to us, so I don't even care. But yes, let's all take this in. I want to thank y'all for watching, liking and subscribing, and support my channel. So I got great news, my baby updates. So yep, time for baby number 2 and 3 and 4. I don't know yet. Do I want to be an octo mom? But yes, great things are happening. I'm so happy. I'm so blessed. I'm so loved. Oh, I'm so blessed for having y'all also. Y'all a big part of my life, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't have my YouTube channel and be striving and doing fabulous things to show y'all. So wherever you're at in the world, just know you are loved and stay protected. Protect your energy as always. You already know. Be the reason someone smiles today. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all in my next video. Bye.